In this video, I am going to show you on how you can set up ClickUp as a student or as a teacher. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go and create a new project. From here, we're going to use ClickUp templates. Now, on the search node, simply type in student. And as you can see, you should see a lot of different templates for student education, in which can be used either by students or by a teacher. Let's use the student progress right here. So click on use template, then type in a folder name, then choose on which this space would be created. For the import options, choose whether to import everything or to customize the import items. For start and due dates, choose whether to import it all as is or remap the dates. Finally, also choose whether to include the archive task or not. After choosing all the options right here, use template. Now, give ClickUp a few minutes to set up your brand new template. Once it finishes, it should be right here on your left panel. And at the same time, it should automatically open for you to start working. So let's give ClickUp a few seconds. Now, it should open in a bit. And here we go. As you can see, we have a Kanban board for the task right here, a list, even behavioral issues with tasks in it, and of course, the needs attention. Now, of course, we have now the option to change all of the elements right here. But because of this template, we do not have to start from the beginning or start from scratch. So simply change the elements into what you need. And now this can help you with your progress either as a teacher or as a student. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.